हाय फ्रेंड्स, हमने पहले कुछ लेक्चर में बीटा एंड गामा फंक्शन के चैप्टर के थ्योरम को देखा है। और ऐसे ही लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने पूरे चैप्टर को फिनिश किया है। अब हम इस लेक्चर में हम चैप्टर की रिवीजन लेंगे और बाद में पहले कुछ टाइम चैप्टर की रिवीजन लेते हैं और बाद में हम प्रॉब्लम लेते हैं 2-3। सो बीटा एंड गामा फंक्शन के फॉर्मूले। फर्स्ट इज बीटा फंक्शन की इक्वेशन क्या है? बीटा ऑफ एल एंड यम इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 1 x raised to l minus 1 minus x raised to m minus 1 dx। and then gamma function का इक्वेशन क्या है? gamma of n is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x and x raised to n minus 1 dx। These two equations of beta and gamma's function. These two equation is called Euler's equation. Beta function is called first Euler equation and gamma function is called second Euler equation. Then there we see their symmetric properties of beta function, that is beta of L and M is equal to beta of M and L. Then gamma of n is equal to, then elementary properties of gamma's function, that is gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 gamma of n minus 1. This is simplified. Then equations of gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1 factorial. Then this lecture we see how to solve factorial. Then we calculate gamma of 1, that is 1. Then gamma of 0 is infinity. Then gamma's transformation property, that is gamma of n is equal to integration 0 to 1 log of 1 upon y raised to n minus 1 dx. Then second gamma's transformation property is gamma of n. Second transformation properties of gamma of n is gamma of n divided by k raised to n is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to k minus ky into y raised to n minus 1 dy. Then gamma's third transformation property is gamma of n is equal to 1 upon n integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus y 1 upon n into dy. Then another form of beta's function, that is another transformation form of beta function. In first transformation form is beta function is beta of L and M is equal to integration 0 to infinity y raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to L plus m into dy. Then we see the relation between beta and gamma function, that is beta of L and M is equal to gamma of L into gamma of M divided by gamma of L plus M. We see transformations form of beta function, that is integrations beta of L and M is equal to beta of L and M is equal to gamma of L into gamma of M divided by a raised to L into b raised to M into gamma of L plus M. Then second transformation form is beta of L and M is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sine 2L minus 1 theta into cos cos 2m minus 1 theta d theta. This is important transformation from this equation. So many times used in problem. Then we calculate their values, that is integration 0 to pi by 2 is sine theta raised to 2l minus 1 into cos theta raised to 2m minus 1 d theta is equal to gamma of p plus 1 divided by 2 into gamma of q plus 1 divided by 2 divide 2 gamma of p plus q plus 2 divided by 2. This is also important formula. Then last is duplication formula of gamma function, that is gamma of m into gamma of m plus 1 by 2 is equal to root of pi divided by 2 raised to 2m minus 1 into gamma of 2m. Then we have to give some example. First example is integration 0 to infinity x raised to 8 1 minus x raised to 6 divided by 1 plus x raised to 24 into dx. Then we have to use this formula, that is beta of l and m is equal to integration 0 to infinity x raised to l minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to l plus m dx. Here 1 plus x raised to 24, that is l plus m. So we have to calculate their sum of 24 is, so integration 0 to infinity x raised to 8 minus x raised to 1 14 divided by 1 plus x raised to 4, that is we simplify this. Then integration 0 to infinity x raised to 8 divided by 1 plus x raised to 14 9 plus 15 plus 9 dx minus integration 0 to infinity x raised to 14 divided by 1 plus x raised to 15 plus 9. Here is l. This is formula of u. This is formula beta of l and m. We have to use here. So here is l minus 1. So here is l minus 1. 9 minus 1 8. Here is l. 9 is l and 15 is m. So then here is 14 means l minus 1 is 14, then l is 15 plus 9. So beta of l and l is 9 into 15 and minus beta of 15 into minus, but we have to know the symmetric properties of beta function, that is beta of l and m is equal to beta of m and l. So these are equal, so their values is 0. Then these problems are proved and their value is 0. Then second problem, that is integration 0 to infinity x raised to 4, 1 plus x raised to 5 divided by 1 plus x raised to 15, like first problem, same as first problem. We have to solve integration 0 to infinity x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4 plus 5, 9 divided by 1 plus x raised to 15. Firstly we multiply this x raised to 4 into bracket, so these are x raised to 4 plus x raised to 9. Then we have to know the formula. Beta of L and M is equal to integration 0 to infinity x raised to L minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to L plus M dx. So there we have to use this formula in there. So integration 0 to infinity x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 5 plus 10 plus here is plus, so integration 0 to infinity x raised to 9 divided by 1 plus x raised to 10 plus 5. Here is x power is L minus 1, so here is L minus 1, so L is 5, so here is 5, here L minus 1 is 10. So these are L is 5 into 10 plus there is 10 into 5. So these are, we have know the elementary properties of beta and gamma function, that is beta of L and M is equal to beta of M and L. So these values are equal, so 1 plus 1 2, like these beta of these are 2. This is the final values of this function, that is 2, only not 2, that is 2 beta of 5 and 10. So we know the formula. Beta of L and M is equal to gamma of L into gamma of M divided by gamma of L plus M. So like this formula we have to solve beta of 5 and 10. Then 2 into gamma of L is 5, gamma of 5 into gamma of 10 divided by gamma of 5 plus 10. Then gamma's value, we know the formula. Gamma of n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. This use the formula here, so we have to use this formula here. So 2 into 5, there is n minus 1 factorial, so 5 means 4 factorial into 10 is 9 factorial, then divided by 5 plus 10, 15 means 14 factorial. Then we know, I say in first lecture, how to calculate factorial value. Then again I say 2 into 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 9 is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 up to 1. And then 14 is 14 into 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. Then cut here 4 cut 3 2, here remaining 2. Then 9 8 7 6 5. Then 4 and 12 is remaining 3. Then 3 cut 3. Then 2 7 then we have to require 2, then here only 2 upper side, here 7, 13 and 11, 10. 2 divided by 7, 13 into 11 into 10, so 2 into 5, so here is remaining, so this value is multiplication value is 5005, so there is 0.000, their value is 0.000198. so like this problem formula we have to solve. Then so many problems in this chapter, then also we have to give some problem in next lecture. Then we copy my notes. Notes are very simple. We have to write, then subscribe my channel, like me, then comment me how to required you. Then we have to give so many books in so many lecture, then see so many my lecture. Thank you.